At GF Piping Systems, our operations are centered around two main processes, which are injection molding and extrusion. Those processes require a lot of electricity and thus have an impact in terms of CO2 generation, directly and indirectly. And thus we see it as a manufacturer as a responsibility to minimize this impact as much as possible.
By innovating our processes in our productions, working on energy efficiency, we really can drive a positive change.
Our processes generate a lot of heat, and we have found smart ways to recover that heat, that so-called waste heat, and use that recovered heat to heat up our buildings, offices, warehouses, for example.
We have installed air compressor heat recycle system. With this device, we are able to use this heat to warm our shower water.
In order to improve energy efficiency, we have several initiatives in place in our operations. We always upgrade our cooling system.
Our plant has the roof tower cooling. With this device, it could be easily to absorb the heat in our processing water.
We recently had an opportunity with aging climate control at our Bakersfield facility to incorporate a high-efficiency system. These chillers incorporate cutting-edge drive and fan technology, resulting in significant reduction in energy consumption.
You wouldn't think so, but in the industry, the average leakage rate in compressed air systems is up to 40%.
Across our operations, we're committed to making an impact on reducing our footprint and increasing our efficiency. The factories that service our markets are actively implementing a variety of projects like LED lighting and pursuing LEED certifications. This demonstrates our long-term commitment to resource efficiency.
We are shooting for the LEED Gold certification, which is above and beyond even what California law requires, and is really trying to show that GF is taking sustainability seriously, not only in our product design, but in our building design as well.
Our strategy is to more and more transform the fleet of cars in our sales organization from conventional vehicles to new electric vehicles. In our operations in logistics, for example, we're also transforming our forklifts from conventional to electrical.
One way which we are sourcing green energy is by us also producing part of our own energy needs. And a good way to do that is for us to install solar panels in our own factories.
Here in sunny California, we get plenty of sun to power our factory, which will account for over 65% of the energy that the building draws.
GF Piping Systems is a truly global company, and we have 31 manufacturing sites globally and 81 warehouses and logistics locations in 33 countries.
Sustainable operations means being responsible, mindful, and forward-thinking in how we do things.
When we drive and while we drive this sustainability journey, we're having a lasting impact globally.